Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Farooq Alam, electrical engineering में RA position, or you all know about me, right? So today I'm going to present you a topic on lab safety tips, not specifically electrical energy, but also for the general sciences, for example, physics, energy, and chemistry, all of that, right? So let's start with the first of all, electricity. There's two reasons, and that's why I'm starting this topic with the electricity safety, because one is this, I'm the expert of electricity, electrical engineer, and the second part is basically electricity is the most important factor you need to be care of. ठीक है ना, अगर आप electricity को handle नहीं किसी तरह से, that will cause serious injury to you as well as to your students, ठीक है, जो आपके साथ होते हैं. It's also happening all around you if you are charging your cell phone, if you are doing your laptop charging, और अगर आप लोग अपने home appliances को use करते हैं even, it's all working on the electricity. So you need to be more careful how to use electricity, otherwise it will kill you. ठीक है? So it has both both sides of the coin. So it has an advantage where you can actually use electricity in a more productive way. However, if it has a bad side, if you handle it not incorrectly, then it will cause you certain serious injury, right? So how this works? So electricity requires a loop to current flow, right? So let's start with the energy source, which is selected with the drill machine over here. And if you unintentionally touch an insulated part of a drill machine, then the current starts flowing through your body towards the ground terminal, right? Yeah? So if you touch a ground terminal, that electricity will start flowing through your body, flowing through your heart, and then flow inside the ground terminal. That's how electricity works. So when this is going on, then you will feel a shock inside your heart as well as in your body, right? So this shock vibrates you, and also it can burn you. Okay? Sometimes it has high potential, then it can also burn you. Okay? So we need to see कि भाई हमारे पास कौन से रीजन हैं जहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सही तरह से फिक्स नहीं हुए फॉर इंस्टेंस ये स्विच बोर्ड्स हैं, कंट्रोल पैनल्स हैं, सेफ्टी टर्मिनल्स हैं. इफ़ यू आर चार्जिंग योर सेल फोन, टेक केयर कि आपके पास वेट एरिया ना हो उसके क्रॉस. एंड इवन ये कि अगर आप बेसिकली किसी भी किस्म के स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को किस तरह यूज़ कर रहे हैं एंड स्टूडेंट्स को गाइड करें कहाँ पर वो मिस्टेक्स करते हैं. ठीक है, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टेक्निकल इश्यूज, राइट? So these are the common issues we need to take care of. First is improper grounding. So every equipment must have a ground. Do you know about the ground terminals? How many of you know about that? Raise your hand. Perfect. So the ground is very necessary because it protects you from the leakage current flowing through your body, right? So if the leakage current flow through your body, so you will feel a shock abruptly, right? So the ground terminal is necessary for every kind of electrical equipment. Exposing electrical wires, for example, you can see wires over here, it's not correct, since they're exposed off. So sometimes unintentionally a person can touch it and you can feel a shock over here. And then inadequate wiring, if you have a lot of, if you have short of wire, then you try to fix it up with the board, this is not correct. Overhead power lane, just like KE doing, आपके पास ट्रांसफार्मर की लाइन ऊपर से जा रही होती हैं, that's also not correct method because sometimes आपके पास wire insulated नहीं होती सही तरह से, then you can have a shock and it's very risky कि अगर wire वहाँ पर है then can have a burn as well, right? So damaged insulation wires is not correct. For example, improper आपके पास insulation with wiring की, it can have a shock. Overloading of electrical utilities, for example, if you are using the same board with the lot of connections, then it's not correct. Wet conditions where you have water flow in your floor or somewhere in your workstation, that's you're not correct. So utilizing a bad damaged tool of equipment, for example, this equipment goes old, बहुत पुराना हो गया या आपके पास equipment की maintenance proper नहीं है, just like the PIA का case हुआ recently. So that's the thing we need to care of all the time when we are dealing with this kind of electrical engineering stuff, right? So these kind of caution signs need to be present each and every equipment which is risk towards your electrical appliances, right? So this is electric symbol where you can have a caution protection over it. And these are the protect terminals, you need to fix it up, this is the correct method, and the other side it has a wrong method because you not fix it up in the board correctly. Okay, so this is a wet area and this person trying to plug in the wire in this wet region. This is also an incorrect method, right? So you need to be careful all the time how are you going to use the electricity, otherwise you will suffer that. Okay? Alright, so this is another example of bad utilization of electricity. You can see a bunch of wires fixed that in the board, and over here, is it correct? Why is bad? Reasons. Overloaded. Perfect. So because it's overloaded, current distributed among these appliances everywhere, and this board cannot bear it. It can be melted out, it can be damaged and burned, as well as damage the whole area. यहाँ पे पूरी जगह पे रीजन मार सकते बिकॉज दिस फिक्स्ड विद द वुड किसी लकड़ी से लगाया हुआ है जो वुड है वो इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ फायर एक्चुअली राइट तो आपके पास इसमें आग लग सकती है सो दिस थिंग्स वी नीड टू केयर कि कहाँ पर किस तरह से डिजाइनिंग कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस की किस तरह आप इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग को यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर सर्टेन डिजाइनिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एप्लीकेशन राइट Okay, so when you're going to out of the lab and the last person हो इसके अंदर even your students हो या कोई person हो even your staff area, faculty area में you need to switch off every equipment and lights so that you have a least amount of electrical hazards, right? सही है? Alright, so these are some electrical tips you have to avoid with the energized electrical circuits and equipments. ठीक है आपने कनेक्शन नहीं लेना जब सर्किट ऑन हो इक्विपमेंट चल रहे हो सो यू नीड टू बी केयरफुल मतलब हर शूज वगैरह प्रॉपर्ली पहनने हैं ग्लव्स वगैरह पहनने हैं सो यू नीड टू हैंडल इट डिस्कनेक्ट द पावर सोर्सेज बिफोर सर्विसिंग एंड रिपेयरिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट यूज एनी टूल विद नॉन कंडक्टिंग एंड हैंडल विद वर्किंग एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस ओके सो नॉन कंडक्टिंग टूल आपने यूज करना है फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज कर रहे हैं दिस इज डिजिटल मल्टीमीटर एंड हैज अ हैंडल ठीक है हर इंस्ट्रूमेंट के साथ हैंडल होता है यू नीड टू हैंडल विद द प्रॉपर जो इसके साथ अटैचमेंट्स हैं नॉट विद द पावर कोड से पकड़ के लगाएंगे यू कैन हैव अ शॉक विद योर बॉडी राइट okay be sure your hands are dry when possible wear non-conductive gloves protective cloths and shoes with insulated soles right just like I said आपने अपने full body protection लेनी for every activity equipment produced signals or sparks should be disconnected and report promptly for repairing ठीक है ना अगर आपके पास कोई sparks हो रहे हैं chances है कि वहाँ पर कोई electric shocks हो सकता है then you have to report it to the services right alright so these are the general tips for all labs physics, energy, all. So you should have a proper supervision for students. अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं, अगर आप स्टूडेंट्स को डील कर रहे हैं तो you need to be focused कि स्टूडेंट किस तरह चीज़ों को हैंडल कर रहे हैं. If you are RA, then supervisor को चाहिए कि आपको supervise करे और बताए कि भाई इस तरह चीज़ों को इक्विपमेंट्स को यूज करना है, right? You need to work. Your working area should be neat and organized. Throw sharp या glass object in separate bins. Report any incident and safety control. ट्राई करें ठीक है ना अगर आपके पास जो ग्लास टर्मिनल है जो ग्लास जो जनरली फिजिक्स मतलब जनरली केमिस्ट्री के लैब में बीकर्स वगैरह यूज होते हैं यू नीड टू डिस्पोज ऑफ इनटू सेपरेट बिन्स राइट ओके प्रोटेक्ट योर आईज एंड स्किन्स बाय यूजिंग बायोसेफ्टी कैबिनेट्स राइजिंग विद द आई एंड बॉडी you feel chemical burns अगर आपके पास कोई केमिकल बर्न इचिंग वगैरह स्टार्ट हो गई आपकी बॉडी में से यू नीड टू वॉश इट विद द प्रॉपर वाटर जो आपके पास है राइट Be careful with electric cords and equipment. Be careful with hot plates and items. Wear heat-resisting gloves. Wear lab coats and make sure that your workstation remains chemically clean and secure all the time, right? Alright, so here's a small quiz for you. So, what do you suggest about these options? What is the process of grounding? Yeah, which one? Three? Are you agree all? Yeah. So question 2 is there any significance of grounding in electrical cords? Yes, no, why? Yeah, please, from the audience from the back.
I think it should be like chemical
Grounding, exactly right. To protect the electric shocks, right? Alright, is it applicable to have an electrical network without circuit breakers or control panels just like here? इसके बगैर क्या हम किसी सर्किट को डिजाइन करना चाहिए? No, why? Overall protection यहीं से प्रोवाइड होती है. So if this provides you a tripping functionality, right? So अगर कोई शॉर्ट सर्किट होता है, बर्निंग होती है या कोई चीज होता है, abruptly trips off, right? So thank you very much.